Hi guys, I didn't see you. Well, we're gonna make an unboxing video today. So let's open this. So as you guys can see, the excavator is in something that I need to take out. Let me flip the box back over. And guys, look, you can see out of the excavator. The whole excavator is out. Let me just throw this aside. Now let's take it out. Okay, but first we have to turn it on. As you can see, there's some smoke. So as you can see, there is a type of bulldozer thing. An excavator can spin, as you guys can see. Okay. So, guys, how do you like it? Write it down below in the comments. Okay. Spin back around. So this is the button to turn off the sound. And guys, this is the button to turn off the light. Right here. See? And now this is the button to raise the bucket down. And this is the button to raise this thing up. Then this is the button to raise this up, the boom up. And this is how we bring it down.
Alright,
Guys, if you want to see part 2 of this excavator, like and subscribe and share with your friends so we can have a part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.